Okay everyone, it's Zexon here. If you want to watch more online training tutorials, you can go to our Master Shaolin Kung-Fu online training school with the link here. Okay, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to do a cartwheel properly first. One arm cartwheel and jump cartwheel. Once we get used to it, in the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to use cartwheel for self-defense in Kung Fu and Wushu. Okay, so now let us get started. So doesn't matter which leg you put in front, we are using the same technique. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use my left leg up front. Alright, so first I face to this direction. Make sure it's a straight line. I put my left leg up front. Alright, arms up. Put your arms next to your ear. Alright, and leg up, toes pointing down. Okay, and put your foot down, left hand in front of your foot. Straight line. Don't go like this. Don't put it here. Okay, the other hand the same, on the same line. And we bend our knees first. Okay, bend our knees. And our foot is the same on the same line, like this. Okay, so this is coordination. Coordination, make sure your straight line coordinate. And also the cartwheel good for your strength for your arms. And also lay down, we add a speed. We add a speed, okay? So I face to this direction. Higher. Down. See? And the other way. Okay, now we put our left leg back, we add a hop. Hop give you energy. Once you done the hop and down, depends on how fast you're gonna do. If you're done faster, give you energy for the kick. So we don't do too fast, we do a little bit fast, and we keep our legs straight. Straight leg. Okay. Now, and we do a bit faster, you can see. Down. Give it energy, alright? Hop, down, hiya. Okay, in the end, with the cartwheel, you can add a Kung Fu move. If you like. If you don't, that's fine. Just down the cartwheel and finish. Okay? Now next one, I'm going from this side to the other way. You can see it's a straight line. Hop, straight, pop, pop. Put the foot. Try again. Straight. Okay, next one, you can add a few more steps. Doesn't matter how many steps you're gonna add. In the end, don't forget to hop. Okay? So you can have a look. I will demonstrate a slow one for you and one faster one. Hop, cartwheel. Okay? A faster one. Down faster. Okay? Don't forget, later on we are gonna learn aerial cartwheel, which is no hands cartwheel. So you can practice this. It's good workout. And later on you learn aerial cartwheel will become much easier. Alright? So now let us do one arm cartwheel. one arm cartwheel is good workout for your strength for your arms. Now let us try. If my left leg out front, I do one arm cartwheel with my left arm is level 1. Level 2 is your right arm. Let's have a look. Put the other fist next to your waist. You can add the Kung Fu posture punch. Okay. Now one more time. Check it. Okay. Now right hand. Let's try together. Just slowly like this. Fist. There's your waist. Kung posture. Okay, one more time. We don't do too fast yet. Yeah. Okay. We are going to do jump cartwheel. 2 arms first. Hop. Being you need the height from your leg. You have to jump. Okay? Jump and cartwheel. Have a look, please. Down and go jump. Without jump, you just put your leg down and cartwheel, right? So jump cartwheel is like this. Jump cartwheel. Okay? Hop, jump, cartwheel. To the other way. Jump, cartwheel. Okay, I'm going to do a faster one at the steps. If you're using jump cartwheel for self-defense, it's you jump and push, and then cartwheel. Okay, everyone. Next one, we are going to combine the cartwheel together. We're going to do 3 in a row, okay, like a cartwheel. Good workout. Ready? We'll do slowly first. 1, 2, 3. That's not a good one. Try one more time. Do slowly first. Once you done it, and you will, okay? Ha. You can do on the same spot too, okay? So now we do a bit faster. Okay, face to the other way. Can you see me? Good. We'll do 2 this time. You can do more if you like, okay? Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Next, we are going to learn how to use cartwheel for self-defense, combined with some Kung Fu kicks at the Master Kung Fu online training school. Okay, happy training, happy life. We'll see you next time.